Well, huh. Welcome to the Fabulous Zone. Mamadi shaking Kobe ni money edini dada. Say ya jati on say si I no. There's league fixtures na any results na be bremo as and when they drop. Sisi akumata Asante Kotoko ene yani 11 wonders ankoyi ewichi Kotoko 1 11 wonders 1 go courtesy Kwame Poku. Yenhwe game no said yesi koye yeni kan hwe starting 11 coach Maxwell ene oji se mo na starting game ni man yeko starting 11 goalkeeper Felix Anan on starting here on say Christopher Neti or Black Stars camp intended he was not available. Samson Abelora no so go Black Stars camp also available for selection. Maxwell Yusuf Felix Anan Samuel Frimpong or Kolun or Karela, he's back. Yes, left back now Ibrahim Moro. Yes, the defensive defenders now, central defenders now. Yusuf Ganiu and Yusuf Mubarak. We are confusing your Kwame Adom, Latif, Anabila, Keyeke, and Emmanuel Jemfi, Augustin Okada Wings, and then Kwame Opoku, and Olidi attack on mine and Nedi. But we in the game now, although on the 54th minute, Kwame Opoku or Yanadia or first good Makumata Asante Kotoko. But we couldn't hold on. We gave up the lead. Emma 11 wonders 80 me at Kano. Now I'm off with brain come my Jane. They say coach too much players then I didn't think say young Konko share Twitter and Facebook other social media platforms. They share some of the comments that came from the fans. Yeah, go share. Yeah, call Facebook. There is this page called AKF TV online. How much do I say? What's your thoughts on the game? What's your thoughts on tonight's game? You share some of the fans. Some comments they say. We say a friend of Shadrach will be the Shadrach Nana Zibit. Or say it's part of the game. Out of 7 months, gradual process, meaning 7 months not playing football. So it will surely take some time to come back to fitness. Or we also say your declare Adakwa Collins. Or say our boys were under pressure and they underperformed absolutely. How can they play this way? I think Maxwell Kunedu can never take us to the promised land from the look of things. Let's keep our hopes tight and see how players will do subsequent games. Okay. Also the Osumafo Akwesi Ajay. Also say nice team with nice jersey but very poor performance. I like this one. Nice team with nice jersey but very poor performance. Facebook comments are and no yanko Twitter na yanko shaman for Twitter mu tweet or Twitter no. Na yanko shade yako the Kotoko main handle na e what Twitter na yanko share amount for comments e be S3 obi or the Misty GH or say ebefa na chese match na nkoyi ba. Let's give the boys some time. Ebefa Misty GH there no yewo osei owusu say Dabi wedi enye yeni to aso ba mun kanya sasem kakra wo platform we so obi say we move on and here Prince Young but say we move on obi say yes we shall improve and here in cancer Joseph Kofi yemfa social media comments in NC has say this has been your match na ya shares and hunsema ekosi ye no ankoyi Bakotoko fans don't be down. What I say, don't be down. Next week another match beba so ye mon pai se bibia bekoso